Good morning everyone. Myself Shivam Patel and I am here to give a presentation on my AI topic that is semantic nets. So its introduction. In artificial intelligence, a semantic network is a graphic notation for representing knowledge in a pattern of interconnected nodes. Semantic networks became popular in artificial intelligence and natural language processing only because it represents knowledge or support reasoning. This acts as another alternative for predicate logic in a form of knowledge representation. Explanation. A semantic network is an irregular graph that has concepts in vertices and relations on arcs. Relation can be ad hoc, but they can also be quite general. For example, is a kind of, an instant of, part of. Relations often express physical properties of objects, that is color, length and lots of others. Most often relations link two concepts. Relationship provide the basic needed structure for organizing the knowledge, so therefore objects and relations involved are also not needed to be concrete. Semantic nets are also referred to as associative nets as the nodes are associated with other nodes. General semantic relations help represent the meaning of simple sentence in a systematic way. A sentence is centered on a verb that expects certain arguments. For example, verb usually denotes action, that is with agents, or state, that is with passive experiences. For example, he dreams or he is sick. So, what are its major components? Its major components are lexical component. Nodes denoting physical objects or links are relationship between objects. Labels denote the specific objects and relationships. Structural component. The links or nodes from a diagram which is directed. Semantic component. Here the definition are related only to the links and labels of nodes, whereas facts depend on the approval areas. Procedural part. Constructor permit the creation of the new links and nodes. The removal of links and nodes are permitted by destructors. So its example. Specialization and type hierarchy. Some of its examples are you can see in the diagram. Dogs are animals. A brown dog eats a bone. Ima the brown animal on a porch. Ima the brown dog on the porch. Ima the brown dog on the porch eats a bone. The challenge is to get this form text. So what are its advantages? Some of its advantages are the semantic network is more natural than the logical representation. The semantic network permits using of effective interference algorithm, that is graphical algorithm. They are simple and can be easily implemented and understood. The semantic network can be used as a typical connection application among various fields of knowledge, for instance, among computer science and anthropology. The semantic network permits a simple approach to investigate the problem space. The semantic network gives an approach to make the branches of related components. So these are its advantages. Now what are its disadvantages? So some of its disadvantages are there is no standard definition for link names. Semantic nets are not intelligent, depend on the creator. Links are not alike in function or form. Confusion in links that asserts relationship and structural links. Undistinguished nodes that represent classes and that represent individual objects. Links on object represent only binary relations. Negation and disjunction and general taxonomical knowledge are not easily expressed. So some of its differences are, and thank you very much.